Hi friends, it's Leila with Leila's Lovely Life. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to go over my February challenges. What I have challenged myself to for the month of February. Now February is the month of love. And I have picked out three challenges for myself. Last month I picked out 4. And if you want to watch that video on what they were, I'll leave it in an iCard right here. And also, if you want to know how I did, I will leave that also in an iCard, and I will link them both in the description box. So you'll know, like, that's my baseline month. That is what I started with. So in January, I had my pantry challenge going, my no spin challenge, plus I challenged myself to 4 other things. The first thing was to write and journal every day. The second thing was to organize/clean for 2 hours a day, every day. To walk outside on nice days. And to make plans on paper to redecorate while I was organizing/cleaning. Those were my 6 challenges for myself in January. February is going to be, I hope it's going to be easier. We'll see. I don't know until I do it. But the pantry challenge is over. The no spin challenge is still going on. And how do you think I'm doing? Do you think I've spent anything? Do you think I am totally fallen off the wagon and just been spinning like crazy? How do you think I've been doing? I will let you know soon. So it's the month of love, right? I tried to pick like an emotional, physical and spiritual challenge for fur. That's something we say down here in Texas, fur. For the month. So the first thing I'm challenging myself to in February is taking pictures every day. I used to be an avid photographer. If you don't know, I got my bachelor's in studio art. I got my bachelor's of art in studio art. So that is something that I'm passionate about. If you want to see a video on all the different things I thought I would be and all the different times I changed my major and what I thought I would do but didn't, let me know and I will make that video for you. But if you're not interested, I don't want to make it. But one of the things that I took when I was in art school was digital photography, and I didn't really fall in love with it then, to be honest, because she said just go take pictures, and I was like, so ugly down here in Corpus. I'm not a beach person. I'm like, take me to the mountains. Lord Jesus, take me to the mountains. Because if I have to take a picture of one more palm tree, I'm going to put that palm tree where it goes in the picture. Yeah. But I didn't have kids then, right? I didn't have a family. And I had really good friends in art school who were amazing photographers who taught me more than the professors. And I learned about like composition and that type of thing. But I didn't learn about the camera because I'm not a techie, right? So I don't have a DSLR because I'm not a professional photographer. But I do have a very nice digital camera that I stopped using. I stopped using painful period in my life as far as like my family of origin goes. Something happened regarding pictures actually 2 separate occasions, and it put me off taking pictures. But one of my goals this year is to print out pictures that I've taken that I have stored digitally, because my kids like to look at the photograph albums. I want to not only spend time like organizing my albums. They're organized, but haven't dated them, and find out exactly where I want to, where I left off, what pictures I need to have printed out. But I want to start taking pictures again. And not only do I want to start taking pictures again, I think I've moved past the hurtful things that happened to me. But it's kind of like something happens to you, if you fall off the bike, you got to get back on it. It's kind of how I feel about my camera. For a long time, it was just an extension of my arm. It was always in my hand. And I loved framing the perfect shot. And I want to get back into doing that. But not only do I want to frame the perfect shot, I want to learn more about my camera. I want to make it work for me. It's got to be more than just my ability. I want to blend the two. I want to blend my ability with the camera's ability. And I really want to take some beautiful pictures, because I've discovered the older you get, the more you realize that sometimes all you have left are pictures. And if you have really good pictures, it doesn't bring back the person, but you can capture some stuff that will comfort you during, the hard times. And that's really what pictures are for. And I want to do that. I want to take pictures every day again. The second thing I want to do is walk outside on nice days. I don't want to walk outside on nice days. I do want to exercise. I want to hoop in my backyard. That's really what I want to do. I don't want to label it, because if I don't walk, I don't want to feel bad because I'm not walking. I don't want to say, well, my goal was to walk. So since I don't want to walk, I'm not going to do anything, which is typically what I tend to do. No, I want to hoop in my backyard. And if it's not nice outside, I would like to do an exercise video. So I would like to do moderate exercise, at least 25 to 30 minutes a day. So that's mental and physical. But I also want to do 2 hours of yard work or outside work every day. Now, I don't mean like just pushing the lawnmower or weed eating, which I don't do because I don't have the muscles right now. I don't know any woman who really, except if you're a bodybuilder, who can like hold a weed eater. And anyway, we have a decent sized property, and honestly, there is probably stuff I could do outside every day if it's nice. And I should do it. I spend too much time inside. I know this. I make excuses. Oh, I gotta vacuum. Oh, I gotta make dinner. Oh, I'm tired. Which is a valid excuse, by the way, but still. I can't do it because of this. I can't do it because of that. So I'm challenging myself to spend 2 hours outside doing stuff. I have a tree swing. I have a bench that's hung from a tree that I need to paint. I need to restain my front deck. I need to put water seal on the fence that my husband just built. I need to move a lot of aloe vera plants. I need to start my garden. I need to start my seedlings. I need to put up a temporary fence around where my garden is going to be so my 2 dogs don't get in there. I need to make plans for my backyard. Right now it's just an empty slate. When my kids were little, we had swing sets and tire swings and trampolines, but they're not little anymore, so it's just like kind of like a blank slate back there. But it can get very, very windy here, so I have to make very good choices what I choose to put back there. One time we bought this beautiful canopy type structure, and it just didn't last, and we spent like $250 on it from the Home Depot, and it just didn't last, which was a shame. But it's just so windy here, especially where we live. It's quite windy. Like not just in the Corpus Christi area, but like where we live, our property is kind of windy, as you would imagine if, you know, we're living out on the middle of a farm. So it feels like there's always something for me to do outside. Bird baths to clean, birds to feed, cats to kick off the front porch. There's always ants everywhere, ants. There's siding to clean, windows to clean, something to paint. I mean, you name it. I could spend probably a whole month outside every day, all day, and not get it done, but I don't have that kind of time. Those are my 3 things, and I said that takes care of spiritual, mental, or spiritual, physical, but what I meant was the taking pictures every day is going to feed me spiritually. Hopefully it will heal me emotionally. And then the exercising and the 2 hours of outside yard work every day are going to my mental and physical state, I think I'm going to have trouble with these. If January is any indication, I'm not going to do it perfectly, but I am shooting for the moon. If I don't hit the moon, at least I'll land upon the stars. But yeah, those are my goals. So wish me luck in the comments. Give me thumbs up for encouragement. I could really use it. I hope you guys have an awesome February. If you don't have a significant other, self-love, man. But seriously, yeah, it doesn't matter. But, you know, you can't be with the one you love, you know, love the one you're with. You know, just have fun. Wear lots of red, paint some hearts. Like, take yourself out for a coffee or whatever. I think that's all I have to say. And I will see you at the end of February and let you know how I did. In the meantime, I'm going to try to put up a video every week of pictures that I've taken. They're going to be short videos because, I mean, how long does a picture last? Like 7-8 seconds. So to get 60 seconds worth of pictures, that's what, 9 pictures? So to get a 3-minute video, I'd have to take 27 pictures. 27 pictures a week to get a 3-minute video. Good pictures. Like, I'm not just gonna throw up pictures, you know? That's a commitment, because that's gonna take studying, like the actual camera techniques and all that stuff. So it's not just, yeah, it could be just simply taking a picture, taking 27 pictures in a week. Oh, there you go, throwing it up on the, but no, that's not what I want. I don't want to do a half-assed job, right? I want to, like I said in my January recap, I'm 47. I gotta make this year work for me. I'm going to make the most of the time that I have. And that doesn't mean doing anything half-assed. That is what I plan on doing for February. I hope you're intrigued enough to see what happens by the end of February. I hope I can deliver those videos. So yeah, like I was saying, have a great February, and I will see you in my next video, friends. Bye.